Hey, what's up? This is Antonio Thompson from AntonioRThompson.com, and I'm coming to you from my home office here in Brooklyn, New York. Now, Facebook recently released the ability to generate and qualify leads through automated questions and answers in Messenger by using the Generate Leads template. Now, this template creates a Facebook ad that clicks to Messenger and allows your business to qualify leads and continue the conversation with people interested in your business. Businesses can gather customers' preferences and create disqualifying questions to prioritize the most qualified leads. For example, let's say you're a car dealership with a typically long sales cycle. Facebook Messenger lead generation allows people to quickly inquire about vehicles availability or loan qualification conveniently within a Messenger conversation. So if you haven't watched my previous video where I walk you through setting up the Messenger lead ad, definitely click above to watch it now, because in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the best practices for using Facebook Messenger lead generation ads. So how can you make your Facebook Messenger lead ad stand out? Well, number one, set clear expectations in your ad, right? Let your audience know that your ad is going to open up a conversation in Messenger. Number two, show your ad's value, right? Your ad in general should communicate why it's valuable for people to enter a Messenger conversation with you. Number three, make your greeting a continuation of your ad and share with people the benefit of continuing the process. Number four, make sure your message matches your audience, right? There are going to be people who are familiar with your brand and people that are meeting you for the first time. And those who are meeting you for the first time may not be comfortable giving you their contact information, right? Their name, email, and phone number. So you want to begin the questions with qualifying questions, then lead to open-ended questions, and then ask for their contact information. Number five, be succinct and keep the conversation moving quickly and easily. I recommend limiting your questions to under 10. And finally, have a clear end. Tell the user what they can expect next. Is someone going to call them, message them? And if they are going to call them, message them, how long is it going to take someone to get back to them? So I hope this message or this video was valuable and helpful to you. If it was, drop a comment below and let me know. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell above to be notified when my next video comes out. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.